What is up? Today is about particularly anything in the street that is particularly new. For example, the AI technology. This video is also from AI technology. Really quick, bang. And then what you particularly do for 1 second is not likable by the greater American people that one person represents because he is an American and he has studied something that is particularly American. Now, particularly if you understand how this all works through immigration, we all know something about your nation and what identifies you to be unique. But the USA says that they harbor all these people so they can commit to anything that they possibly do. When there's policing around and other policies and discriminatory files, then it all stops. Being said, if you find someone on the street or driving while you're thinking and you have some intrusion saying, hey, we particularly don't like that, he ends up complaining and then double backs and does it himself, and you start giggling. He thinks it's funny, it's science, it's modern, it's technology, it's the best competition, it's harassment, it's discriminatory. And guess what? In your face, until the woman says she's gonna marry him, he'll continue to do that until he gets married, until that happens. Many other physical altercations. I'm not going to make this video too long because I just want to put out information so that you are able to rebuttal and acquire new systems so that you can achieve your goals. But in the end, if you do like this video, hit that like and subscribe and see my other videos for more small snippets of information in American society that is particularly social media and the rest of the world, because America is number one and you might be able to argue and refute and get some people on your side, which is possibly minorities and other people who have money. So this video, hit the like and subscribe.